All right, everyone, Tommy here with Z Grills, bringing you another easy to follow recipe. And on today's show, we are going to take a look at the turkey leg. I am going to show you two ways, one right out of the package, right into the pit, and also one in an 18-hour brine. So look, what I want to do for you now is let's go back about 18, 19 hours, set up this brine, get these in the fridge for an overnighter, and then I'll bring you guys back and show you the next step. For this brine here, we got 5 quarts of water. We're gonna go 1 cup of kosher salt, 2 cups of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of Pink Salt Prague Powder. Follow the directions on the package. We're gonna go 1/8 of a cup of honey, some rosemary, 1 bay leaf. Look, you want to give that a good stir. You want to dissolve all that salt and so forth inside. We will get this on the stove. Bring it to a very low simmer. That helps to release all those oils in the rosemary and also dissolves everything down. But you do want to let it cool before you add in your turkey legs. You can also hit it with some ice to cool it down a little bit. Once you get those turkey legs in, it is in the fridge overnight, 12 to 18 hours. Oh yeah. All right, guys, that wasn't that bad. And you could see here first on the board, we will take a look at our right out of the package, right into the pit turkey legs. And there is a little bit of prep work that we have to do. What you're gonna wanna do here is you're gonna wanna pull back the skin. You wanna expose some of the meat on the skin so we can get some rub on it. And look, sometimes this could be a little bit of a pitta. Sometimes it could be easy. Either way, you definitely may need your knife. So unlike a chicken leg, the skin of a turkey leg is definitely more firmer. You can actually pull on it and pull down. It will not rip. Use your knife, as you could see there, just to get anything that may be holding it back to the skin. Yeah. Just take your time, and as it grabs the meat, just give it a little bit of a slice. If anything holds it like that, just give it just a little cut like that. So look, I'm going to get the other ones pulled back on the store purchased right into the pit part, and then we will bring you back to look at the brine part. And here are the 4 that have been sitting in the brine for approximately about 18 hours. Easier to work with. Grab some paper towels. Give them a quick drying. That way they'll be easier to work with that way. And then we will basically do the same thing here. We will pull the skin back and expose some of that meat. So look, I'm going to get these other 3 pulled back. I'll get everything here on the board and we will apply our rub. All right, guys, so look, first up, what we're going to do is we are going to go with our brined turkey legs here. And look, those who follow me know that I like to keep a salt, pepper, and granulated garlic mixture pre-made. I keep it up in the cabinet, so anytime I need it, it is good and ready to go. You could use a pre-mixture like this, or you could pick any chicken, poultry type seasoning would go well. So look, basically what we want to do, now you don't have to over season it. We are going to go some on the flesh like this, and then we will pull the skin back over, and we will also put some on the skin. Boy, I just love doing these turkey legs. Start checking your local markets, as these will start showing up on the shelves, and you're definitely going to want to pick some up. Now, I would consider these to more to the smaller to the medium size. You can get them a lot more bigger than this. I find this size here just works perfectly. So look, once you get that rub on that meat, what you're going to do here is just stretch the skin back over. Anything dangling off like that, you can clean it up, give it a little bit of a cut. So look, once you get that skin back pressed out into place, grab your rub. So look, let me do this with the rest of the turkey legs. When I'm done with that, I'll bring you guys back. We'll fire up the pit and we'll get these bad boys on. Alrighty, so look, as you can see behind me, I am going to be breaking in my new Z-Grill 700 series pellet grill. So I'm real excited about that. We are running cherry pellets in the hopper, and I am going to run these legs at 250 Fahrenheit, and we are looking at about 2.5 hours on this smoke. All right, guys, look, and that really there is all there is to it. I'll bring you guys back when it's time to check it. All right, all you Z grillers, and just like that, we are 2.5 hours in. And hey, man, I just took a peek, and these are looking good. And not to mention, the smell is definitely in the air. Let's go in together. I'm going to show you how to temp them to make sure they're finished. We will get them on the board here for a quick rest, and I will bring you guys back for that taste test. So one thing to keep in mind here, brined or not brined, these turkey legs are packed with juice, and basically what you want to do, you do not want to poke the meat like you would, say, a steak right there. What you want to do is you want to go in through the top, go down the side, and just keep it off the bone. Do not touch the bone, and 175 is perfect. So what we will do, we will get these turkey legs off. We will get them on the board to rest for approximately maybe 10-15 minutes, and then we will we'll bring you guys back for those closing thoughts and taste test. Yeah. Everyone, that's about a 15-20 minute wait. And I definitely can't wait to dive into this. I am going to give you a heads up. Do we like the brine, or do we like the non-brine? First off, on my Z-Grills 700, the pit ran amazing. It hovered at that 250, 230, 240. It releases more smoke, then it goes up to that 250. That's how those things work, and it worked perfectly. So look, I am going to go in. Let's grab a I do believe we have a brined here. Let's go in and get a bite. I'm hoping it isn't too hot. Guys, right off the bat, man, so juicy. I mean, perfectly cooked. I mean, that is good. That said, let's grab a non-brined turkey leg and go in and check that out. All right, guys, look, here you go. The brined turkey leg is 100% more juicy than the not brined turkey leg. That said, I wouldn't turn down neither one of them. I mean, the flavor on both of them is definitely through the roof. But again, the little extra step with that brine, it definitely makes a difference for sure. And look, it isn't over salty at all, so that is a good thing. It is just definitely way more juicy than the unbrined turkey leg. So look, that is going to wrap up this recipe here. Don't forget, down below in the description, you've got the blog down there. You can go right to the cook, print out what you need, and make this recipe right here. And also, don't forget Z-Grill's Facebook page, Instagram account, and also YouTube channel right here. Plenty of resources to keep you grilling all year long. So look, again, my name is Tommy. It has been a pleasure. I will see you here once or twice a month. If there's anything you want to see, leave it down in the description. And until next time, we will see you soon.